Hello! I'm so glad you're here. Today's story is Grumpy Cat. The little grumpy cat that wouldn't. I wonder what she wouldn't do. She has friends. There's a butterfly and a ladybug and a bird. Grumpy cat. The little grumpy cat that wouldn't. Let's see what she wouldn't do. Once there was a little cat. She was cute. She was furry. And she was grumpy. Grumpy cat didn't like anything. Grumpy cat went outside. She wanted to be alone. But soon a happy butterfly started talking to her. Grumpy cat didn't know the butterfly's name. She didn't care. "Hi, Grumpy cat," the butterfly said. "You know what's great about the outdoors?" "Nothing," Grumpy cat said. Grumpy cat wanted the happy butterfly to go away, but it didn't. Instead, a cheerful ladybug joined them. "Good morning, Grumpy cat," the ladybug said. "There's no such thing," Grumpy cat said. Butterfly and ladybug are so cheerful. "Grumpy cat, would you like to play?" the butterfly asked. Grumpy cat wouldn't. Nope. "Come on, it will be fun," the ladybug said. "I had fun once," Grumpy cat said. "It was awful." A joyful bird joined in. Grumpy cat was surrounded by happy animals. I see them. The happy butterfly, the happy bird, and the happy ladybug. Oh, Grumpy cat. Grumpy cat, there must be something fun you would do, the bird said. "I know. Would you like to race?" Oh, that's a fun idea. They could race to that finish line. Do you see the flag? That would be where the race would end. Would Grumpy cat? Ready. Set. No! Grumpy cat wouldn't. Oh, but the others are racing, and they look like they're having fun. Look at those smiles. And look at Grumpy. The happy animals all raced away. Grumpy cat was alone. Good. Grumpy cat, did you really just say good? All your friends raced away. That's so silly. She really is a grumpy cat. Have you ever felt grumpy? Like Grumpy Cat did? Me too. I have felt grumpy sometimes. And just like Grumpy Cat, When I'm feeling that way, sometimes I like to be left alone. It's nice to have friends like the butterfly, the ladybug, and the bird, but on some days when you're feeling grumpy, you don't want to play. You'd rather be left alone. I get it. I get the way Grumpy Cat was feeling. Feelings are feelings. Sometimes you feel happy. Sometimes you feel grumpy. It's okay. It's okay to be who you are and however you're feeling. She still was polite, and she was honest. When they asked if she would like to play, she said, "No." This was a fun book to read with you. Usually the books we read are always happy and there's just a lot of joy. This book had some grumpiness to it. I'm glad we shared it together. I hope you liked it. I really enjoyed reading it with you.